Alright guys, welcome back to Friday. At the end of the video, I'm just going to show my P&L on here. It's nothing special, but I did have another green day. But I figured instead of making a whole nother video, I'll just show you the P&L on the end of Desi's. Next week I'll do each other's video, but I just figured today it's just going to be easier doing it just at the end. So, as you can see in the title, Desi had a really monster green day. And then, yeah, we'll just have to see what happens. So, let's get into the trade. Oh, before I forget, make sure you, if you could, subscribe and hit that like button. Really do appreciate it. So, let's get into Desi's trade. So, he's looking at BSFC, I believe. And then here's the Piton trade. So, right now he's looking at... he's marking his levels, what he wants to short off of. So we'll let him get his levels all drawn out here, and then we'll get into the trade. So you can already see he's starting to short. It's already hitting his levels. So he's got an order of 2642. This one went pretty crazy. You can see 2642. So now he's filled. So his next order's at 2642. So we'll speed it up. So he got filled right there. So now he's 200 shares short. Average price 26.21. And here's a note. He's anticipating dead cat bounce from yesterday and it failed today. So he's 200 shares short. Average price 26.21. He's got another order short 26.18. He got filled 300 shares short. He's got a buy at 26. Let's see, 26.53. If it goes 26.53, it stops him out of the trade. He's putting on another 200 shares of short at 26.20. $500 shares short now. He's got his all of his limits out there. They realize he's crushing it. So he's up 296. He's up 324. So he's up 332. He's only got 200 shares left. So we'll see what happens. You can see right up here he's got a buy 200 at 26.31, and he got filled. So right there, he's already up by 10. Let's see, 9:41. Jesus, that's early. That's 11 minutes in the market. He's already up $348. And then let's see, he's got another short 26. Not 26. 25.83. He's looking to short another 100 shares to start the process all over again. So he did get filled. So he's 50 shares. Like I say, I'm not gonna rewind them notes. Like I say, just pause the video to watch them. So he is currently short 200 shares. He's got another short order out there at 25.68. See if we can get filled. Or he's got to buy 200. He just canceled that. So now he just put a stop order out at 25.53. So if it goes above 25.53, it's going to stop him out of the trade. So right now he just got stopped out. He's still up $344 on the day. And I don't know if he takes any more. Oh, he does got another short, 25.73. I don't know if it gets filled or not. And there it sells. So, yeah, I don't think he gets back in. So, as of right now, let's see, 10:30 in the morning, he's up $344. And trust me, this happens to me. This happened to me today. I kind of did the same thing. Once you're green on the day, then you want to make more money. That's when the greed comes out. It's just never enough. So he ended up texting me and saying that he'd lost, and I thought he was joking, and he wasn't. So he didn't get that recorded, but we want to be transparent. So he actually, if you looked at, Piton, it actually reclaimed and shot back up, and he tried to keep reshorting, and he does max loss again. So I'll bring over his P and L. So I'll just do this side by side. So right here at the end of 1 hour into the market, he was already up $344. You guys got to see it. And then he decided to get back in. So he got back in the trade and ended up losing that $344 plus another $1,100. So he does max loss again. I mean, it definitely happens. I experienced that today. Mine was smaller. I'll show you what mine was. So as you can see, I won $83. Another green day. Nothing big, but close to $100. But I was up $113, and I kind of did the same thing as what Desi did. What I did was kind of what he did. $113 wasn't enough for me. I just wanted to go back for more, and I ended up losing a little bit. But once I hit that $83, I was like, you know what? I'm walking away. $80 is better than going red on the day. So mine's nothing to brag about. That's why I just want to kind of throw it in his video. But it definitely happens to, I would probably say 90% of traders. Is the hardest thing to do is to keep the money till the end of the day and to actually have it in your pocket. So moving forward next week, Desi's only going to take 30% of his original share size. Usually he starts with 1,000. So our new daily thing is, if we hit our max loss, we can only trade 30% of what we normally would trade for an entire week, to be a punishment to hold ourselves accountable for stuff like this happening. So next week when you see him trade, he's going to be trading with 300 shares instead of 1,000 shares. And if I hit 1,000, or if I hit 900 to 1,000 on mine, I'm going to be doing the same thing. It's to hold ourselves accountable for a mistake like this today. So I really hope you guys do appreciate the transparency. And remember, sometimes it's easy to make the money, but the hardest part is is walking away from the market. That's one of the hardest parts of day trading, is walking away and saying, you know what, whatever, $100 to $1,000 or $10,000 is enough for the day, and then you just walk away. So yeah, so next week we'll hit her hard again. I might have a little video tomorrow, but that pretty much sums up the video. So give us both a thumbs up. You got to see my P&L, his P&L. You got to see the trade, which is awesome. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.